In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share multiple files in Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to select several files at once, share them with people by email or with a link, and set the correct permission as viewer or editor. First, in your Google Drive, hold the Control key on your keyboard and select multiple files. While keeping Control held down, click each file you want to share. You'll see each file highlight as it's selected. Take a moment to make sure every file you need is included. If you accidentally click the wrong file, keep holding Control and click it again to remove it from the selection. You can glance at the top of the screen to confirm how many items are selected. Next, right-click anywhere on the selected group. Make sure you right-click directly on one of the highlighted files, not on an empty area. Yeah, this opens the context menu for the selection you just made. Now click Share. This opens the sharing window for all the files you selected. You're not changing the files themselves, just controlling who can access them. From here, add email or click Get Link. If you want to share by email, click into the Add People in Groups field and start typing an email address. Select the correct contact as it appears, and repeat to add more people if needed. If you prefer to share with a link, click Get Link. This generates a link you can send through chat, email, or any other channel you use. Once that's done, set permission to viewer or editor. Use the drop-down next to each person's name to choose viewer if they only need to see the files, or editor if they need to make changes. For link sharing, use the same permission drop-down next to the link to choose viewer or editor. If you're unsure, viewer is the safer option because it prevents accidental edits. You can always return to this window later to adjust permissions if requirements change. At this point, click Send or Copy Link. If you added email addresses, click Send to deliver the invitations. The recipients will get access based on the permission you set. If you chose to share by link, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you need. After sending or copying, you can close the sharing window. Your selected files are now shared. The people you invited will receive access immediately, and anyone with the link based on the permission you chose can open the files. So if you return to Google Drive later and need to update access, you can select the same files, right-click, open share, and adjust the permissions the same way. That's it. You've successfully shared multiple files in Google Drive, either directly to specific email addresses or via a copied link with the correct viewer or editor permissions applied. Everything is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.